Welcome to Activity 69. In this activity, we will be developing the strategy of adding 9 by first adding 10 and then taking away 1, which is the same as adding 9. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each bond block from 3 to 8, 1 9 and 1 linear 10 bond block. If you have original boards, please place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. When we add, it is part add part equals whole. The number on the spinner is the first part. We are then going to add 9 by first adding 10. Player 1 will go first. They spin and they spin a part of 4. First, they add 10 and they say 4 add 10 equals 14. They then repeat this with 4 add 9. So 4 add 9 equals 13. You can see this is 1 less. They record 4 add 9 equals 13. Player 2 has their turn and they spin 3. They place the 3 and add the 10 and say 3 add 10 equals 13. They place the 3 again, but this time they add the 9, which is 1 less. And they say, so 3 add 9 equals 12. And they write 3 add 9 equals 12. For this round, player 1 is the winner because the aim is to make the largest or greatest whole. Now it's your turn.